Alright, this is a continuation from the previous video. As you can see, the previous video we solved the grade 9 2024 paper 2 external. So this was question 1b. So for the next question, it's going to involve multiplication. This is going to be question 6. So question 6b of the same paper. So what's the question? The question reads as follows: find the product. By the way, when you find a question that is involving you to find the product, that just means multiplication. Okay, so this is base 5. By the way, in number bases grade 9, this is the question that carries most of the marks, 3 marks. Okay, and it's always found in paper 2. So let us begin by answering this question. So what should we do? First of all, let us start by writing our problem like so. Indicate it's base 5. Okay, now let us begin by answering this question. So let us multiply 3 times 4. This is going to be 12. So now, since we are in base 5, the highest number is 4. So whenever you get a number after multiplication, you get a product that is bigger than the highest number. In this case, the highest number is 4. You need to divide 5 into that number. Okay, or find the groups of 5 that are in that number. So let me say like 3 times 4, it's 12. Not so. 12 is bigger than 4. So what we should do is that ask ourselves the question, how many groups of 5 are in 12? So 5 goes into 12 2 times. So 2, remainder what? 2. So we write the remainder. We always write the remainder and carry the group of 5, which is the 2 that we have found. So now we go to the next part. 3 multiplied by 1 is 3. Plus that 2, it's 5. So now, since 5 is also bigger than 4, which is the highest number in base 5, we need to divide 5 into that number. How many times does 5 go into 5? It goes in there 1. So there is one group of 5 in 5. Remainder 0. So we write the 0, which is the remainder, and we carry the 1, which is the group of 5. Then we go to the next part. 3 multiplied by 4, it's 12. Plus that 1, it's 13. So what should we do? We should ask ourselves the question, is 13 bigger than 4? Yes, it's bigger than 4. So we need to find out how many groups of 5 are in 13. So 5 goes into 13, 2 times remainder 3. So we are going to write the remainder 3. And since there is no longer a number here, that group of 5, which is 2, we are going to indicate it like so at the end. We are done with multiplying 3 by that number 414. So let us add a 0 to maintain the place value because of this number. This is in the ones, this is in the tens. So when we start in the second row, it should start in the tens. That's why we have written a 0 here. So what is 4 times 4? 4 times 4 is 16. How many groups of 5 go into 16? There are 3, remainder 1, not so. So we write the remainder, which is 1, and we carry the 3. What is 4 times 1? 4 times 1, it's 4, plus that 3, it is 7. So now, how many 5s go into 7? It is 1, remainder 2. So we write the remainder 2, then we carry a 1. So here we're going to ask ourselves a question. What is 4 times 4? It is 16, plus that 1 is going to be 17. How many 5s go into 17? It's 3, remainder what? 2. So we write the remainder 2, then we carry a 3. Now since there is no longer a number here to multiply 4 with, we're going to write that remainder 3, or that group of 3 that we carried. Like so. Then we add the numbers. What is 2 plus 0? It is 2. 0 plus 1, it's 1. 3 plus 2, it's 5. Now, since 5 is bigger than 4, we have to divide 5 into 5. Okay, so we have to find out out how many groups of 5 are into 5. It's 1, remainder 0. So we write the 0 here, then we carry that 1. Okay, now 2 plus 2 it's 4, plus that 1 we have carried, that group of 5 which is 1, it's going to be 5. Now 5 is bigger than 4, so how many groups of 5 are in 5? It's 1, remainder 0. So we write the 0 here, then we carry that 1 which is a group of 5. Then here we have 0 plus 3, it's 3, plus that 1 which is 4. So therefore, my friends, this is the answer. Now you understand why this question carries 3 marks, because it requires you to do a lot of thinking here. So hopefully you enjoyed it, and if I was rushing, feel free to pause and repeat and watch this video. I would like, if you are new to this channel and you subscribe, this will make us work even harder to bring the best that we can bring to this channel. So thank you so much, and have a pleasant day.